the second row of the grid.
Matches the kart livery.
Does indeed. Strange that. Almost as if they planned it. Right, here we go. Lights are out. We're off and racing. And it's a good start from both drivers. A good start from the outside of row number 1 from kart number 82, Charlie Warren. Warren takes the lead going through the Bruno Ferrari S's. The drivers who were involved in the Honda crash earlier racing in this set, Finn Bobs, yes, they are. And they're all fine.
Yes, all is well.
Zach Starbuck, and it was the number 67 of Oliver Meek who were involved earlier on. They are both fine and racing.
Hand gestures galore there from Cole Denham. Not happy with the drivers in front of him, just defending straight away. He's saying, just go, go.
No, but that's what... Oh, there's one driver up over the back of another one, and a spinner there. And that is... Oh, it's one of the Synergy Racing karts. Who was that? It was the number 84 of Mason Brooks. Mason Brooks, I think, one of the youngest drivers in the class, if not the youngest.
Albie Lapper was another driver involved in that, was the driver that spun.
Now, it means that we've had a look at this. I mean, this is not what you expect to see in a Honda Cadet race. Driver, the leaders very well spread out.
So, out of the final corner then, across the start-finish line after one lap. Warren leads then from Barham, McAndrew Uren, Endicott, Shenton, Friend, Morris, Sakai, Denham, Clark, the top 10.
Right, you carry on talking about this because Darren Beavers, Mr. Bambino, has explained to me that I still beat everyone in my trivia, but Kia Nakamura Berta, who won the Honda Cadet GP plate, or the Miami Cadet GP plate in 2019, he ended up winning the FIA Junior Kart Championship in last year because Freddie Slater got a bump penalty. So it's six World Junior or Senior Kart Champions that have won a GP plate. Thank you, Darren.
Excellent. There we go.
There we go.
Let's talk about the racing that's currently happening
that's
right
fine.
now.
You know how simple I am. Train of thought. I get distracted very easily.
About karting that happened 30, 40,000 years ago.
Yes, I know. But it's part of my my unique charm. That half people want to strangle me, half people want to give me a clutch.
Charm?
Charm. That's a good word to describe me. There's another word beginning with C. But there we go. It's Warren, Barham, McAndrew Uren, Endicott, Shenton, Friend, Morris, Leotaro Sakai. No Japanese drivers ever won the GP plate, though. Can we see a verse from Leotaro Sakai, kart number 44 for the Synergy Racing team?
Doing well.
Thank you, Chucky Deed, for your offer. We do have moderators now, but thank you very much. We have got your entry for Beat the Experts, though. But thank you nonetheless. We appreciate that. There's Emerson McAndrew Uren going through. Rocco Shenton trying to follow him and not have to fall back in line. So this on your screens now is the battle for second, third. Is this second, third?
No,
fourth?
I think this is the race lead.
Sorry, Noah Barham, yeah, is taking the lead in kart number 22. McAndrew Uren in second. Warren is third. Then it's Shenton in fourth position. Albert Friend, the SFR Motorsport team, runs in fifth position. And Cole Denham, no, Max Endicott, sorry, is sixth. Behind them, Cole Denham is seventh, but look at the gap. There's Denham, the Scotsman, and Denham is being pushed along by his teammate, Jarrett Clark. Luca Ballack is next, and then the next zip kart in line is Ethan Griffiths, the Welshman, in kart number 10. And there's Shenton making a move.
Yes, indeed. So only 4 minutes to go in this one, and it's all started. You can tell it's the last race before the finals, can't you? Drivers want to score as little points as possible.
And
this is their last chance to do it.
You say as little points, so for a heat win, you get 0 points.
Yes.
For coming second, you get 2 points. Third, you get 3 points, etc. There's Shenton at the inside for second place.
Yeah.
Producer James here says, does that make
terrible.
the heat? No, James, it doesn't make the heats pointless. It just makes winning pointless. Hey.
It is quite.
the standings at the moment. So at the moment, at the start of this race, Kenzo Craigie would have a pole position for the pre-final with Cole Denham alongside him on the front row of the grid. Endicott and Wolfit would be on row 2. Jarrett Clark and Albert Friend would be on row 3. Emerson McAndrew Uren and Rocco Shenton would be starting from row 4, but they're currently running second and third, trying to improve their starting position for the pre-final.
Yes. So keep a very close eye on that one all the way through this side by side for the race lead. Then in towards turn 1, and Shenton goes it, and McAndrew Uren comes through as well, so goes into P2, and Albert Friend dives down the inside there and gets up to P3 now as well. And who's that with a 5-second time penalty?
That's
Harry Taylor, 13th place for the Callum Hardgraves Development Driver Programme.
Asylum Gaming brings up a good point. He goes, Henry, will you be doing the T-side 24-hour next year? Well, they can't fit my fat backside in the go-kart anymore. Yeah. But, I mean, we had a Guinness World Record attempt at the T-side 24-hour for one driver doing all, trying to go, doing, you know, trying to do the entire, entire 24 hours by himself, covering the distance, beating the distance world record for the distance travelled in 24 hours. Has anybody ever tried to commentate on a go-kart race for 24 hours solid for a Guinness World Record? Because I talk a lot, and I reckon I can do that. I reckon I can do the entire 24 hours solo with a team around me and make it good. There we go. For a Guinness World Record, we've got to see that, and there's got to be some sort of charity that I can raise money for doing it. So if you want to Alpha Live and the people on the viewer stream think that might be a challenge for me, I would be up for that. Rocco Shenton leads the race, Albert Friend second, Emerson McAndrew in third position. Under the bridge we go with 2.5 minutes to go.
I don't think I can stand you talking for more than 2 hours, let alone 24.
Oh, you've got a long day tomorrow, my friend. A long day tomorrow in that case.
No, I love you really, Henry.
Oh, bless. There's the leaders. Don't tell my wife.
I am your wife.
You're my karting wife. My other wife. A real. Or my mistress, karting mistress, Ian Rogers. He's looking elsewhere. Here we go. Look at that beautiful, beautiful, beautiful look of Honda-powered karts in a line. Shenton, Friend, McAndrew Uren, Endicott. Our timing screen has decided to have a whoopsie again. It's Shenton, Friend, Endicott, McAndrew Uren, Barham, Denham, and Jarrett Clark. Ballock is in this group as well. At the back is Charlie Warren in 9th position. Ethan Griffiths is in 10th place. It's the top 10 all in a line. Absolutely beautiful sight for those of you that love 4-strokes.
Yes. I am a fan of 4-strokes, me. I like them.
Yep, here we are.
Rumble in the jungle, cross the line.
Exactly.
Shenton leads, minute to go, and look at the train there. What is that? The top.
That's the top 10. Well, I mean, here we go. If it's the Rumble in the jungle, which one of these drivers is about to do the Ali Shuffle? Onto the banking we go. It is one of the City's drivers. Oh, what is it? It's number 18
it's the
cart.
18.
That is the 18
Max
cart.
Endicott
Out of his cart. He's out of his cart. He hit his teammate out on the banking. He hit his teammate out on the banking. The marshals are there. The marshals are there already. We'll concentrate on the racing. 30 seconds to go.
And
30 seconds to go.
Battenberg flags
Battenberg
out.
flags are out. Endicott's cart is being wheeled away. I tell you, the marshals and the paramedics are already there with the driver, and they're being slowed down. So 20 seconds to go, plus a lap. I think this will probably end the race.
This will probably end the race under the Battenberg flag conditions.
Yeah,
just because of the time we've got left.
Yeah, and I wouldn't be surprised. I mean, obviously the officials are now waiting there. I can see a marshal. I can see Lee Manchester over there with the driver Max Endicott, who ran up over the back of his driver. So let's calm ourselves down. The checkered flag is going to come out at the end of this lap. The clock has struck 0, and the checkered flag is going. So Rocco Shenton is going to take the win. Albert Friend second. I think that's the order. They cross the line. They cross the line. Rocco Shenton, Albert Friend, Cole Denham, Noah Barham, Luca Ballock, and Jarrett Clark, the top 6. Emerson McAndrew Uren, Charlie Warren, Ethan Griffiths, Charlie King, and Eva Morris, the top 11. Kai Clark is 12th. And I'm looking there. So the paramedic, so the driver, Max Endicott, is standing up. He's up.